Welcome to Smarter Manufacturing with Robato Systems. Real-time production monitoring, intelligent automation, and complete operational visibility. Operate online with cloud-based job scheduling, or offline using mobile and tablet target configuration. Production continues without interruption. Create, schedule, and automate production jobs through the Robato SaaS platform. When one job finishes, the next job starts automatically. Direct PLC integration captures every machine cycle in real time. Actual production counts update automatically, providing accurate tracking and live visibility from the shop floor to the cloud. Automatically track rejects through sensors or record them manually through mobile apps, tablets, and push buttons. Ensure accurate quality monitoring and complete production visibility. Transform production data into real-time dashboards, analytics, and automated reports. Monitor performance, track efficiency, and make smarter manufacturing decisions. Transform manufacturing with Robato Systems. Monitor production, track performance, and gain complete operational visibility through one intelligent platform. Let's build smarter factories together.